Hi there. So happy to see you in the ingredient channel where I share the homemade and easy to follow Chinese recipes every week. The recipe for today has a unique name, the silk pulling sweet potato. Silk pulling, or Basi in Chinese, is a special cooking technique to sugarcoat the ingredients which are typically deep fried. When each piece gets pulled away from the rest, the sticky molten sugar form long silk-like strands. The recipe originates from the northeastern China, where potato growth prospers. It is typically served as a dessert at the end of the festive meal. How well the dish is cooked is judged by how long the sugar strands extend without breakage. Peel 2 medium sweet potato, cut into bite-sized pieces. Spray salt, black pepper, and onion powder to enhance the flavor. Instead of deep fry, I'm going to air fry the sweet potato. So I'm going to drip some cooking oil and mix. Put them in the air fryer, 400 Fahrenheit, fry for 5 minutes. Then shuffle a few times, fry for another 3 to 5 minutes until golden brown and can be poked through easily. In a heated pan, add 1 cup of water, half a cup of white sugar or rock candy, medium heat. Wait until the sugar melts in the water completely. Slightly stir until the liquid gets thicker and big bubbles form. Be patient. Add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. It enhances elasticity to the sugar strains. Wait until the waters completely evaporate and the syrup turn amber in color. The bubbles are also getting smaller. Turn off the heat, add a few drops of cooking oil, put in the fried sweet potatoes and toss to cold well. Transfer to a dish immediately and serve as quickly as possible before the syrup hardens completely. Now let's test our skills. Look at the silky strings. They're beautiful and add crisp to the dish. The perfectly fried sweet potato is soft and tasty inside, combined with the crispy candy coat. Yum! A few warnings before we wrap up. To make the perfect syrup does require some practice. I tried 3 times for this recipe and finally made it. Had enough candied sweet potato in a day with a good sugar crush, to say the least. If you ever get to this stage, do not give up. Add hot water. The tip is to completely melt the sugar in the water first before reaching the molten stage. Believe me, it's worth a try, and good luck. Well, before you go, please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks, and see you around.